Hi everyone, it's Kerry Sports. So today we have the new box for the Prizm Mega. So we want to find the ice Winban. Let's get started to see what we can get today. Okay, so there is a 5-pack. Total have the 50 cards, and we can find the silver and the pink eyes. So if we can get Victor, today will be wonderful. So let's get started. The first pack. Okay, the first card is Kevin Love. And Durant, Robe, Irvin, Jazz, Rookie, Sinsberg. So let's see the last 3 cards. Make. And let's see the Dominic. Okay, it's marketing. So let's see the pink. Okay, the body healed. So okay, Kerry. So the next pack, the first one is Randall. Yeah, Draymond Green, Tyler, Stephen Curry, Murray. Murray. So let's see the last 2. Jalen. Okay, let's see the pink. Bankero. Okay, Simmons. And the series Torrent. The third pack. First one, okay, LeBron James. Next one is Hardy. Okay, Wilson. Black. Arthur. Let's see. Next one is okay. Singing. Let's see the last 2. Okay, the next one is Bot Jr. And the silver is okay, Bot Jr. Silver is Isaac. He's a good defender, I think. So the next pack, first one is DeRozan and marketing. Rookie Kubali, Giannis, Murray we got before. Last 2 not important for the next pink. Okay, Devin Booker. So the next one is okay, Hawkins and Williams. It's not bad, I think. He's a good shooter. I saw his games. Okay, not bad. The last pack we got Tyler, Brandon, GGD. Okay, I like him. Okay, Key, Embiid. Next one, okay. The silver is Aaron Davis. Okay, not bad. Lakers rookie. So last 2 pink. First one is okay, Charles, Chris, and Dort. Okay, so that's all we got for the 50 cards. Let's see what we have. Hawkins, Lipton, Davis, and some rookie base card. Okay, that's all we have today. And thank you guys. This is Kerry Sport. Thank you for watching.